The completely Unix operating system is designed in C language. Language compiler, it is used to develop the any other programming language. C++ is also developed from C. Python is also developed from C. It is used to develop the assembler also. It is used to develop the text editor. Using the C code, we have developed the some text editor. The most important thing again, C language are used to develop the networking drivers. So networking drivers डेवलप करने के लिए सी लैंग्वेज का यूज़ होता है, कोड यूज़ किए हैं. ऑल्सो वी के आर गोइंग टू डेवलप द मॉडर्न प्रोग्राम्स, database software also, and language interpreter. So that are the some application of the C programming, means where we can use the C program code. The most important thing in operating system machine interaction, and to create any language compiler, means if you want to create any language compiler, so we can use the C language. So these are the application of the C language programming. Okay, so the next topic is our character set in the C. Character set. C4. Okay. Character set in the C programming. So whatever the character set you are seeing here, that are the same characters are available in other programming language also. 90% programming language are the same character set. So basic we are going to start from C programming. Character set in C programming. Character set in C, or you can say simply say the character set in the C. So what are these characters? Characters are nothing but that are used to store, characters are nothing but the symbols that are used to store the information. So I am writing character, maybe a digit, special symbols, any alphabets that is used to store some type of information. The character set is very important in any other programming language. Okay, so we are learning here the C programming, that is the mother of all this programming language. So if you know properly character set in the C, so that is the same thing which are available in other programming language. So the one I'm writing here one statement, you can also write along with me. Okay, you can open your notebook and you can write. So character that denotes any alphabet a digit or special symbol that is used to represents the information, that is used to represent an information. So C has a powerful in the character set. C has very powerful in character set as given below. So what are the character set available in C? So by using this character set, we are going to use in this program, use any program of C program or any other programming language also. These are the some characters that is allowed to write in the programming. So each characters have their own ASCII code. Each character have their own ASCII code. Depend upon the ASCII code. Okay, so in the character that contains the alphabets, the every alphabets that contains the separate ASCII code or you can say that every character has a separate ASCII code value. So we know the what are the alphabets are here, or any general programming, general English language. We have the small a to z, we have the capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, and we are considered in the English as the same thing. But here in programming language, that is considered as the different. Okay, so that's why capital A to capital Z is a different thing, small a to small z is a different thing, because we know the ASCII code of capital A, which is start from 65, B having the ASCII code that is a 66, and ASCII code for a small a that is start from 97, ASCII code for small b having the different that is what 98, and so on, so on. So that's why small a and capital A both are different, and C is a case sensitive programming language. So that is a, it will read the same another thing, it will read the another thing. Okay, so what is ASCII? It's a one organization, they have developed the one standard code, and each and every alphabets have the special each and every alphabet having the ASCII code. ASCII, okay, ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, ASCII. Every special character have the ASCII code. Okay, minus, plus, asterisk, hash. They have some special ASCII code. So what is ASCII code? American Standard, that is universal. Okay, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Go to the Google. I want to learn about ASCII values. So go to the official website for this ASCII code. It's the official site for this ASCII code. It's an organization. Okay, it's provide encoding techniques. See here some ASCII code are there: decimal, octal, hexadecimal, binary, symbol, HTML number. Okay, ASCII control character 0 to 31. Then have the different things. Lot of things are here. We want to find a 65. Do you want to find 65? See here. I have already written uppercase A. See the ASCII code A. Yes, are you observing? For the 65 we have capital A. 66 we have the capital B, which I have written is the same thing. Every resources I am going to provide you. ये याद रखना जरूरी है, कैपिटल ए और स्मॉल ए. In the chat box I am going to provide you this site. Please check it. Whatever the resources I am providing, that is very important. Okay, ये सब अवेलेबल है, वही मैं आपको बताता हूँ. That is a documentation. We always, जो भी नई लैंग्वेज आती है मार्केट में, हम उनके डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पढ़ते हैं, और उनके डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में जैसा लिख के है वैसे हम स्टूडेंट को पढ़ाते हैं, ट्रेनर को पढ़ाते हैं, हम जैसा चाहिए अवेलेबल है. लेकिन बेस्ड ऑन द टाइम मैनेजमेंट, एंड हम बात करते हैं कि कितना पोर्शन आपको पढ़ाना है, दैट इज़ द थिंग. सो उतना ही हम सिलेबस पढ़ाते हैं जो रिक्वायर्ड है. ओके, so we can see here, so must have to read the documentation first. Okay, here see here 97, small a is ASCII value is 97. Okay, and each and every character which are stated here, I think 127 characters are stated, right? That is having the separate, you know, space. See space, nothing character is here, that is what space character. See, nothing is here, space is there. Okay, space, blank space, white space. It's having this code 127, ASCII code is 127. Okay, it's a 127 ASCII code. We have the some type of this. Okay, ये है ये, the list is available. Having the different means my concept is that every character space having the different ASCII code. That is standard thing. Okay, so you can screenshot this now. So what are the characters that are available? So let us see here. The character set, we are going to store some information, represent some information. So that is divided into alphabets, alphabet, alphabet. Okay, spelling is okay. Alphabet. How many alphabet? Capital A, comma, capital B, capital C, up to the capital Z. We can say that is what uppercase. Uppercase letter. Then small a, comma, small b, small c, up to the small z. You can say lowercase letter. This is one thing. Again, we have the digits. In character set, we have the digit. How many digits? 0 to 9. Digits are here. Okay. 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Combination of this, that is a character set. What are available? What we are able to write in the C program or any programming language. What is this provide to write this characters? Okay, these are the some characters we are going to write. What is missing here? Special character is missing, right? Special character, or you can say the special symbol, the symbol which are available in your keyboards, जो available है वही characters जो हमारे कीबोर्ड पे अवेलेबल है वही हम अलाउ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो सी व्हाट इज C language that allow the some special characters. What are that? So I am going to state here. So you have to tell me the name of that special character. Okay, what are the special character? Alphabet is okay, digits are okay, 0 to 9. Now the special symbols or characters we are going to write. So this is what the combination of this, we can say these are the character set in the C language. So character set in the C language. Okay. Now this is very important now. Okay. So see, whenever you are going to write the programming, some there error will be occur. So you have to simply say what is missing. Suppose I say it's a semicolon missing. So you have to must have to know what is semicolon, what is colon, what is comma, what is apostrophe. All are the symbols. That is known as special characters or special symbols. So I am writing here. So you can tell me what is this? What we can say for this symbol? Yes. What it is? इसको क्या बोलते हैं जनरल टर्म्स? So message box is allowed. You can type simply there in the chat box. So every symbols we are going to use in this programming language. Okay, what we can say in Python also we can use. Yes. This is nothing but a colon. We can say it's simply colon. This one. Yes, what we can say? Comma. So comma. These are very very important. ये आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है सब. Next, what is next? This one. Every symbols are available on keyboard, and this programming language we are going to use this one. What you can say for this symbol? So semicolon, colon and semicolon. Then this is dot, or you can say period or decimal point. You can copy this one in your notebook. You can write along with me. Okay. Next one is, you already know this thing. What is this symbol? Question mark. This thing, it's apostrophe. Apostrophe. Can say that is one single quote also. We can say it's a single quote. After apostrophe, this one is, and say the double quote. Read, if you don't know some symbols, so read it carefully. 4 to 5 times you can read. Definitely you will understand. Definitely you can remember this thing. Because these symbols are very important while writing the programming language. And most of the time we are going to use these. Then you have simply properly you need to say that name of that symbol or character. Semicolon is missing, colon is missing, comma is required, dot is required, single quote is required, double quote is required, that things. Special name, you have to take this proper name of that particular character. So spend some time with these character names. Some of the character you already know, exclamation marks, exclamation marks is there. Then this one we use for the bitwise OR, that is what? Vertical bar. But in programming, in Python, we can use explicit OR. In C language, we can also use as a explicit OR gate. In C++ are the same thing. Explicit OR operator. We'll see step by step, don't worry. Simply you can say here, that is what? Vertical bar. And don't get confused in forward slash and backward slash. That is very important. While writing the any programming language, we use forward slash and backward slash. This is what? Forward slash. This is backward slash. See here, both are different. When you start writing the program, then you will definitely understand. Practice is more required. and we'll do the 100 plus programming in C program, C programming training. In this training, we are going to do 100 plus program. Don't worry, will become a perfect. This forward slash is here. Now, this one is backslash. Whatever I am writing, the symbols which are all available on keyboards. Next one, after the backslash, you will get this sign. Sometimes in mathematics, we are going to use this sign for negation, right? Negation purpose. This operator, negation operator also, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, true to false, false to true. We'll do that. But this name is what? Tilde. That is always above the tab button. You can see the tab button in your keyboard. Above the tab button, there is a one symbol. There is a one button. That is what? Tilde. What is the name? Tilde. But very, very important. Before learning the any programming language, this is a totally basic to learn the any programming language. These special symbols are very important. Next one is each and every special symbol has their ASCII code. We know very well alphabets and digits, lower alphabet and capital alphabet. 26 plus 26, 52 is there. Digit, 10 digits are there, 0 to 9. And special symbol, you have to spend some time with the special symbols. Okay, total are very easy, don't worry. Then next one is underscore. It's not a minus, it is an underscore. It's an underscore. Most of the time in the programming we are going to use this underscore. Next one is dollar. Okay, this symbol is also available on your keyboard. This character is allowed in free programming, C programming also, and other programming. In PHP programming language, how to declare the variable, you know, in PHP language, we declare the variable using dollar operator, where every variable we need to give the prefix as a dollar in Python programming, PHP programming. Next one, this one, it's and, but we are need to say as a, this is ampersand, it's a logical and. When we see the operators, you will understand, don't worry. But the first name is what? That is ampersand. And you always need to say it is ampersand. Or you can say the address also, ampersand. Okay, or address. Now this one, what we can say? Original name is what? Caret. Original name is what? Caret. I think all are here. Every symbols are here. Name are not given. Okay, no problem. These are the symbols. Every symbols are here. Here is the name is given. See, ampersand. See, whatever I am giving you, international standard I am giving to you. Only international standard I am giving to you. See, asterisk, plus, comma. This symbol we have completed now. Comma. It's a hyphen. You can say the minus also, but it's a hyphen. You can say this dot. This is also completed. Dot. Full stop. Period. Okay. Already we are given. Only international standard I am giving to you. It's official site. Now see here, this one caret. See what is the ASCII code? 94 is the ASCII code. Caret. It's official site. We are in the ASCII code official site. All are the international standard. So correct. In C programming, we are going to use as an exclusive OR gate. Python also use as an exclusive OR gate, exclusive OR operator. We can use as an exclusive OR in programming. So general things. Okay. Always learn everything in depth. Or start the basic concept in the depth. Advanced concept easily will get. First you need to learn properly basic concept. Basics should be clear. And YouTube are here. Advanced concept पढ़ने के लिए YouTube available है. Don't worry. Just understand the basic concept first. Now next one is, we can say that is a star. Don't say as a star. It's an asterisk. It's an asterisk. Asterisk. Okay. It's an asterisk. Right now I have seen here. Where is that thing? You can refer these resources I have provided to you. This original total. Asterisk. See here asterisk. Right? Everything is available. Next. Yes, this is what minus. In our word, we can say the minus, but it is what hyphen. It's a hyphen. Okay, next. What is next? Plus sign. This is for plus. Next one, less than sign. It's a less than. Each and every character have the different name and different ASCII code. So all are separated. It's a greater than. It's a greater than sign. All are these characters. Okay. Spend some time with here. No hurry. There is no hurry. Next. You can make the table. It's a greater than. Next one is, what you can say this sign. The first word always say that is what is a bracket. It's not a bracket. It's if it is a bracket, then what we can say? This one. These all are the different brackets. So it's a parenthesis. In the C programming or any other programming language, you are going to become a programmer. So don't say as a bracket. Okay, it's a parenthesis. So it's a left parenthesis or open parenthesis also you can say. Left parenthesis, parenthesis, left parenthesis, parenthesis. Okay, you can find here in the official site. Open parenthesis. Okay, you can say upper bracket, but it's recommended to use as a parenthesis, right? Open parenthesis or left parenthesis we can say also, no problem. Okay, next one is right parenthesis or close a parenthesis bracket. Okay, right parenthesis or close parenthesis, that is okay, no problem. Next, this one, it's a left brace, left bracket, left brace, or you can say the curly brace. Left curly brace, is it available? Definitely ये तो होना ही चाहिए. Left curly bracket, close curly bracket are not getting here, no problem. Remove. Okay, not reading and we are going to not use. Open close square bracket is there. Yes, opening brace. Do you got this now? See here, opening and closing brace. Right, this one, opening brace and closing brace. Okay, you can say left brace and right brace also, no problem. Okay, opening, or you can say the open brace. Closing brace. All are bracket, but names are different. Curly bracket you can say also. Right brace, simple brace, that is identified, no problem. And here, what you can say, this symbol, so hash, it's a hash. Okay, होगा यहाँ पे, yes, it's a number or hash you can say, hashing number. So key is generated here. Next one is equal, percentage, then left square bracket, and right square bracket. The most important thing, okay, nothing is here, we can simply the space, it's a white space, it's also occupy the 32 bits. When you write here integer a, right, can you see the space between here? See that this is the space, integer is a data type, a is a variable name, and we have the some space. This space is also known as special character, it's occupied the 32 bit, we can say the white space. Okay, this is very important. Space is also this character we can find here. Okay, see 32, the decimal number is 32, means the ASCII code is 32, there is a nothing is there. See here what we can say, space, observe carefully here, ASCII printable character that is started from 32 to 127, so they have the some unique ASCII code, so that are very important. So want to print ASCII code? Yes, definitely you can also check the ASCII code. So just I am going to take one example to check ASCII code. We are not started here the C program. Okay, we are not going to start here, we are not started a C program. Okay, just मैं एक example ऐसे show कर रहा हूँ कि if you want to find the ASCII code of special characters, yes, you can also find. So have you written this one? First you can write. Can I move forward? Okay. So example to find or check ASCII code for special character. So see here we are not started the C programming. Okay. what is get CS, what is main, what is hash include, you are not started yet. Okay, just I am going to take one simple example to check the ASCII code. After that we are going to I am going to explain how we can write this code, means what is hash include, what is the use of this, what is the main, what is the get CS. Okay, I will explain later. So just check here, open our compiler, Turbo C++. So here don't use the mouse or cursor, simply you use here keyboards button. So how you can jump to the this file, edit, search, how you can go this tab, simply press Alt plus F. Simply press Alt plus F. See, when you press the Alt plus F, you are here in these tabs. Always minimum use the or don't use the mouse here in Turbo C++ or Turbo C. So file, then new, come to the new. So here the file is showing no name 001.cpp. No name 001.cpp. Let us first again press Alt plus F. Then first save this file. Come here, save and enter, or otherwise simply press the F2. This is the location where is our program is going to be saved. In C drive, there is a one folder that is known as Turbo C3. There is another folder. In that folder, that is bin. Inside that bin, we have our file name. That is a no name 00.cpp. So you can remove everything, or you can just remove this one, no problem. Or you can remove everything. The by default, the program is going to be stored there. Okay, Turbo C3 and bin. I am removing everything. I am writing here example 1.c. Always save the program as an extension of .c. Okay. Now see here the name is changed ex1.c. Then you can write hash include stdio.h standard input output file. Then void main. Why we need to write void main? Everything I will explain. Okay, don't worry. So we are writing here one character. So data types we have also not covered. Okay. Our next topic is tokens. That thing we are going to cover the data types. Suppose I am going to write here ch is equal to I want to find the ASCII code of capital A. It's a character, so always use the single code. Now want to print here. Okay. The character is the simple character I want to print. Initial. Okay. Original character I want to print. Comma, we can write here ch. Okay, what is going to be print? A will be printed. Now I want to print here ASCII code. What you need to do? Only print in percentage. That's it. The ASCII code of, or simply you can write the ASCII code is equal to %d. So that will print in the %d decimal format. Okay. Now you can write here the get CS to get the instant output. Again save this one and compile first and check the whether it is error is available or not. Zero warning, zero error, that is okay. Then you can run this code. So it is showing the character is A and the ASCII code is 65, but it is looking in it looks in the only one single line. Now see here, this is printed in the next line, but previous output is also showing. So that that purpose we are going to write here CLR function. That means that will clear the output screen, only current output it will be show. The character is A and ASCII code of 60 A is 65. Now I want to change that character small a. I know the what is the ASCII code of small a, that is 97. Yes, it's a 97. Now I want to write here the ASCII code of minus. Save this one. Can execute. Is 45 correct or not? Go through the website and check it here. ASCII code. Find out hyphen or minus. 42 is there, no? Okay, 42, 42, 42. 42 और कितना था? Hyphen 45. Oh, good. 45. Right. Want to check the ASCII code of asterisk. Save this one. Run. 42. When 42 asterisk is there? Yes, very good. Yes, this code is working. Now I want to find this file. Let us close this Turbo C++ everything. Where our file is stored, we can find this PC, C directory, Turbo C3 folder. See here, Turbo C3 folder. Then all the programs are going to store in bin. Okay, bin folder. Go to the bin and find here. All your program are here. So now, what is the name of our program? Example 1. Let us open this thing. You will find your program. See here, your code is here. Got it? Recently I have written this code. Your file are storing here. Side by side. What is created? Have you observed what is created? Exe file is created. Right click here and check this property. What is that? Oh my god, its exe file is created. Means it's a executable file is created. Right? So now I want to double click here. So it's showing this app can't run on your computer, but that may be run in your PC. My PC is highly updated. It's not going to allow to execute. But when you click on this file, it will be give the direct output. It's a exe file. And this exe file we give to the client when you create weak applications. Okay, you can simply double click and this file will get executed. This path is important. C code and exe file is created, but this exe file is created in which operating system? Windows operating system. Which operating system I am using here? Windows operating system. And this file with this file that can't run on Linux or Unix operating system. And this is very important. We have created this file. Once we compile the C code, exe file will be created. Application file means we can say the executable file. And we are created this file in Windows operating system means this is a platform. And this file will not execute in Unix operating system or Linux operating system. That means C is a platform dependent programming language. C, C++ are the platform dependent programming language. Okay, so I hope it is clear now. So I am going to copy paste this code here. You can also use this practice on mobile also. You can do the practice on mobile also. You need to write here the output. Okay. So our next topic is Tokens, that are very, very important point. Can take the screenshot. Code is same. We are not started writing the program, don't worry. Data types भी पढ़ना बाकी है, keywords भी पढ़ना बाकी है. So that all are we are going to cover here in this tokens. जिनको कोडिंग नॉलेज बहुत रहता है लेकिन व्हाट इज टोकन पूछे तो उनको पता नहीं रहता है व्हाट इज टोकन, ये तो हमने कभी नाम सुना ही नहीं बोलते. In programming language, the tokens are very important. Classification of tokens. They have already used the tokens, but they doesn't know इसको भी टोकन कहते हैं, ये पता नहीं रहता है उनको. So we are learning everything from the basics, step by step. So the next topic is classification of tokens. How the tokens are classified in the C programming. Classification of tokens. What is meant by tokens? Observe here. Here is the program. What are the tokens here? You can say it's a small part of the program. All are token in this program. All are tokens. Keywords. Keywords are also tokens. Char, it is also token. Function, token. Constant, token. Asterisk is constant. It's a token. Operators, special characters. These all are tokens in this program. So what we can say? Tokens means what? It's a small part of program. In simple word. In a simple word I am going to write here. Simple code. I'm writing here. A small part of a small part of a program. Tokens. How the tokens are classified? Now see, tokens are very important. Whatever you are learning in the C language, that is the same thing which are available in other programming language. See the tokens. Keywords. Keywords means reserved words. We can't use keywords as a variable name. Each keywords have the special meaning. They are going to perform some special task. Keywords are the reserved words. See here, keywords. Void is a keyword. Char is also the keyword. Integer, if, else, auto, struck, break, switch, case, register, char, return, constant. All are the keywords. There are 32 reserved words in the C language. And there are 50 keywords in the Java. And I think there are 50 or 52 keywords which are available in C++. In C++ you have the additional keywords than the C programming. So we can say these all are tokens. These all are tokens. Keywords also the token. Identifiers also the token. String also the token. See I am writing here identifiers. And see what is an identifier? That is a naming convention. Identifier is the naming convention that is given to the any programming element. That is given to the any programming element. Naming convention. Here see ch. What is the ch? It's a variable name. You can give the any variable name, but there are some rules. There are some rules for the giving the variable names, right? So what are that rules? We can say that is identifiers. Ch variable name that is we can say the identifier. If you given the name to the function, we can give the name to the function also. Suppose I am giving the name as a function one. What is we can say the function one is what? Name, that is we can say the identifiers. What is an identifier? It's a naming convention that is giving to the programming elements. I am to use the array a 10 number of element, then 10 number of element is going to be stored. How it is going to be stored? This position a of 0 one element is there, a of 1 another element is there, up to the 9, right? And what is the here a is known as identifier, is a name of array, that is known as identifier. What is an identifier? It's a naming convention that is given to the programming element. Can you write like this way? No, it's a wrong. This is wrong syntax for writing the identifiers, means a variable name or function name or any other. We can't start with the 1 0 or digits. So that rules we are going to learn here, don't worry. These are identifier. Then strings in C. What is string? String is not a data type in the C language. Then if you want to use the string in the C, then how can use? Whatever you are going to write in this double quote, we can say that is a string. A, B, C. Okay. 0, 0, 1. That is also the string. 0 is string. This is also string because you are encoded in the double quote. But string is not a data type in the C. Then how you can use a C? How you can use the string in the C? By using what? Array of characters. We have some special symbol, special topic that is known as array of characters. Now next, operators. Operators in C. What are the operators? Then constant in the C. Constant. Then special characters in C. So these all are tokens. These all are classified tokens into these parts. Classification of tokens. Tokens in every program they have the tokens. Every program we can write the keywords. Every program we can write the identifiers. In every program we can use the string. Some program not compulsory for all. Operators program, we are going to use the operators in the programming. Then if you want to perform the some arithmetical or logical or bitwise operations, we can use the constant in the C, integer value, character constant, any constant, string constant you can also use. Special characters. Recently we have seen the special characters, right? Recently we have seen the special character. What are the special characters? Right? These are some special characters. These all are the small part of program. That's why that is known as what? Tokens. These all are things known as tokens. Okay. So now first we are going to see what are the keywords in C. What are the keywords are available? There are 32 reserved words in the C language. Keywords. So 32 keywords are available. So keywords means what? That are the reserved words. Keywords is what? Reserved words. So we cannot use as a variable name. Suppose int is a variable. Suppose I want to use int name as a variable name, so we can't use int is equal to 3. We can't use like this way. We can't use this because int is the keyword and also data type. So int कीवर्ड्स हम वेरिएबल का नाम यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. We can't write as a float int is equal to 3 or 2. Float data type int is the keywords we can't use, okay, as a variable name. Float if is equal to we can't use because if is a keyword in the C programming. So we can't use a keywords or as a variable name because these are the reserved words in the C programming. These are the reserved words. They perform some particular task. Now can write here, write down keywords are reserved words. In second point we can write we cannot use variable name, comma, constant name, etc. We can't use as a variable name and constant name. So what are the some reserved keywords? So there are the some 32 reserved words or keywords in C. We are going to write here. There are 32 reserved words, or you can say keywords in the C language. They are given below. So the keyword I am writing here, auto. Auto is the keyword, automatic storage class. Double, int, struct. These all the keywords we are going to use while writing the program. C language कंप्लीट होने तो ये सारे कीवर्ड हम प्रोग्रामिंग में यूज कर चुके होंगे. देन ब्रेक कीवर्ड, break is the keyword, else, long, switch, case. These all are the case sensitive, so all are having lowercase letter, do not having the capital case, or you can say the uppercase. Simply write down in single small case letter as I am writing here. Register and type, df, char, extern, return. After that, union, const, then float, short, unsigned, GND, okay, unsigned integer. Then continue, for, sign, sign and sign, void. This keyword we are using our program, right? Yes, void, default. Void is also data type. Then go to size of. This is used for to find the size of any variable. Volatile, do, if, static, and while. 8 into 4, 32. Yes. So these are the 32 keywords that are the reserved words are available in C programming language. So the next one we are going to see in the next class. So you can write down this one.